Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this super short video, you can learn the meaning of the word Venna. It's a very basic word and probably you know the meaning already, but it can also mean another thing. And you have to use it in the right tone. This is the importance of a tone of a language and particularly of a word. Sometimes the facial expressions help, but if you're using a wrong tone, that is a happy tone and a voice, and if you keep your face really harsh, is that not confusing? Okay, let us get to the point to understand that further. If you're new to this channel and had chanced upon it, well, this is just a small peppy video, but there are 195 videos in this channel for you to learn everything from grammar, dialogues, simple words, vocabularies, and following them makes it easy for you to learn Tamil in the shortest possible time. The first one is Venna, as in no. I do not need it. Do you want this paper? And the answer could be no. Venna. To convey you don't want it. Whether you say it soft or loud, it means no. But saying that loud and abrupt can mean you're angry or upset. That is logical. You want to go out today? வெளியே எங்கேயாவது போகணுமா? வெளியே எங்கேயாவது போகணுமா? வேணாம். Or no. But if you want to say no thanks, in Tamil we would say illa paravailla or venam paravailla. We would not say illa nandri. That is weird. This is for you to note. The second meaning, this is where you have to employ the right tone. When you say in a tone like this, Venna, it means, hey look, I warn you. It's a word to warn someone against doing something, and it will have the tone Venna சொல்லிட்டேன் திரும்ப திரும்ப அதை பற்றி பேசாத. Means, see, I'm very clear. Don't bring up the subject again. So Venna can be used as look, I warn you. It is not no. So there's a huge difference between Venna, that is no, and Venna, let me caution you, warn you. This may be a small video but helps you to understand the difference in context and how important the tone is. Venna. That doesn't mean you're warning someone. It's simply no. Venna. But if you say in a warning tone, it has to be Venna. So whether you say that in a low voice or you shout out, it can be understood that you're warning when you say that right. Venna, 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 Venna. And just easy it is. Feel it and tell that and you will get it. For both the above example, you can either use Venna or Venda. They're both just the same. Venda. No. Venda. Well, I'm warning you guys against something. Venda. So if you closely look at that, or if you pay more attention in the second one, that is the warning, the prefix has more emphasis. It has more where, that is more extended. Venna. The first one, that is no. Venna. No. The second one, Venna. It's very simple thing. I hope you enjoyed this super short video. So please be sure to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. And watch all the videos when you find time. And I guarantee you're just a few months away from fluency in Tamil language. Vanakkam.